I'd like to describe the characteristics of micro-regulator system as opposed to needle valve system. If you look at this diagram, one on the left-hand side, this is a micro-regulator system. One on the right-hand side is the needle valve system. As you can see, the red line shows the fuel passage. When the gas boils at certain temperature, the fuel comes out, go through the regulator system, and then the gas is released from the jet. Needle valve system is similar, except microregulator stove has a secondary chamber. This is where the pressure is controlled and output is constant as a result. In the world market, this is a commonly sold canister that contains usually 3 ingredients: propane, isobutane, and butane. Each property has different boiling point. Propane gas, for example, its boiling point is minus 40 degrees Celsius. Isobutane, minus 10 degrees Celsius. Butane has the highest boiling point amongst 3, and it is plus minus 0 degrees Celsius. Basically, there are 2 ways that affects the temperature of the fuel: ambient temperature, and when you start using or burning the stove, that will basically take away the temperature of the fuel. Needle valve system, the mechanism is very simple. When you turn the needle valve system, the needle located inside will simply move from right to left depending upon how you turn or how much you turn. By turning, needle simply releases the gas and then goes to the head of the stove to be burned. Microregulator stove has a secondary chamber, and this is where pressure is built up at a certain level and then being released from the jet. Thus, microregulator stove, especially under colder or warmer weather, this is very effective because it has a secondary chamber to basically regulate the output of the gas, unlike the needle valve system that is directly affected by the pressure point of the canister inside. Inside the microregulator, we have a diaphragm. The size of the diaphragm is smaller than US penny, and it's very lightweight. As you can see on my tip of my finger, it's a very small product.